Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2074 for code? This code indicates a low voltage signal from the intake manifold tuning valve position sensor on bank 2. If not fixed, the ECU cannot correctly control the intake airflow system. P2074 stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Position Sensor, Switch Circuit Low, Bank 2. In simple terms, the ECU is receiving a lower than expected signal from the intake runner position sensor due to wiring issues, sensor failure, or poor ground connection. Common symptoms include check engine light on, weak acceleration, poor fuel economy, rough engine response, and hesitation at low RPM. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The intake manifold tuning valve position sensor is located on the intake manifold on the bank 2 side of the engine. It is attached to the runner control actuator that manages internal airflow flaps. The intake manifold sits on top of the engine and connects to the throttle body. The wiring harness connects the sensor and actuator to the ECU and runs across the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, scan live data and observe intake runner sensor readings. Then inspect the wiring and connector for open circuits, loose connections, or corrosion. Check the actuator linkage for mechanical sticking or damage. Clean any carbon buildup inside the intake manifold if necessary. If the sensor signal stays low, replacement of the sensor or actuator may be required. Finally, repair wiring issues, replace faulty components, clear the code, and perform a proper road test. Fixing P2074 will improve airflow control, engine performance, and fuel efficiency.